Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a single niche and committing to 5 focused clip ideas. This reduces decision friction and trains your taste. Once chosen, record short, high-energy moments, tight hooks in the first 3 seconds, and keep files organized so editing is fast. Make sure to shoot consistent framing and lighting. This speeds thumbnails and captions later. You'll be testing formats quickly, so don't perfect every clip. Iterate, upload, and learn which hooks get retention and shares. Now you move into editing and optimization, which creates reliable views. Use jump cuts, captions, and a 1-2 second visual hook. This improves retention and platform algorithms reward it. Once done, craft titles with a clear benefit and add 3 relevant tags. Upload a custom thumbnail that reads at a glance. Make sure to post consistently, 3 to 5 clips per week. Then cross-post the same clip to other platforms to compound reach and discover which platform pays. Finally, turn views into dollars by enabling partner monetization, adding affiliate links, and pitching short sponsorships once you have consistent engagement. Scale by batching shoots and repurposing clips into different lengths. Review analytics weekly to double down on top performers. If revenue stalls, diagnose quickly. Low views mean your hook or thumbnail failed. Re-edit the first 3 seconds. Shorten to the most viral moment, or change the thumbnail, and re-upload as a fresh test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.